Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a 2024 or 2025 graduate, then today's video is going to be very useful for you because I came up with two hiring opportunities and one of them is from a very well-known global bank. The roles we will discuss today are from Barclays and Unnanu. The first role from Barclays offers a salary that go up to 15 LPA, which is a very strong package, and they are hiring for the role of BI and data analyst. This role is open for freshers, so anyone with zero experience can apply. The job location for this role is Noida, and this is a full time in office position. The company follows a 5 working days schedule. Talking about the salary, this role offers a very competitive package for freshers. For freshers with 0 to 1 year of experience, the salary may range between 10 to 15 LPA depending on performance and specific team. So the Barclays is a British multinational bank and financial services company which has a headquarters in London, and it allows candidates to work with large financial datasets and global technology teams. In this role, you will investigate and analyze data issues related to quality, lineage, and data sources. You will also perform data cleansing and transformation tasks to prepare datasets for analysis. Another responsibility will be designing and building data pipelines that automate the movement and processing of data. You may also develop dashboards and reports using BI tools such as Tableau, SAP Business Objects, or Power BI. The role may involve workflow automation using tools like AlterYX, Tableau Prep, or Power Automate. You will apply analytical techniques and sometimes machine learning approaches to solve complex business problems. Another responsibility will be documenting data quality findings and recommending improvements. Candidates should have strong knowledge of advanced Excel, including pivot tables, Power Query, VBA, and complex formulas. Experience working with business intelligence tools like Tableau, Power BI, or SAP Business Objects is also valuable. Knowledge of SharePoint, Power Apps, or Power Automate can be beneficial. The company also expects candidates to have strong analytical thinking and attention to detail. Good communication and stakeholder management skills are also important for this role. Now, coming to the second opportunity, this one is from Unano and they are hiring for the role of data science consultant. And this role is open for freshers. The job location for this role is Hyderabad, and this is a full time in office role, and the company follows a 5 working days schedule. The salary offered for this role ranges between 2.5 to 4.5 LPA. The application deadline for this role is 25 March 2026. In this role, you will analyze complex data sets to identify patterns, trends, and insights. You will also develop statistical models and machine learning algorithms to solve business problems. Another responsibility will be designing experiments to test hypotheses and validate results. You will also collaborate with business stakeholders to understand requirements and build data science solutions. You may also create data visualizations and dashboards to present insights and monitor key metrics. Another important responsibility will be ensuring data quality and accuracy throughout the analysis process. Candidates should have strong knowledge of data analysis concept and statistical techniques. You should also understand machine learning algorithms and modeling approaches. The company expects candidates to have strong analytical thinking and problem solving ability. Good communication skills are always important because you will need to present insights to both technical and non technical teams. So, yeah, these were the two quick opportunities in data analytics and data science field. If you want to apply, make sure to check out the links in the description box and apply as soon as possible. And if you want daily updates about fresher jobs, internships, and tech hiring drives, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.